BMW is testing iX electric SUV with 600 miles of range thanks to new battery chemistry. You love the new battery chemistry conversation because you're always keeping tabs on what's next in EVs because of your investments.
Well, also because I want an EV and it's just
Battery
not possible
tech.
for me without much larger range. So battery needs to improve.
Mo said it. He's looking at you, Elon, and others.
Yeah.
Battery needs to improve. You heard it here. Okay, so what's up with this chemistry? Let's see it. BMW is going to be testing iX SUV 600 miles. I'll take it. Previously reported on One when it did something similar with Tesla Model S, replacing its battery pack and claiming to achieve 752. So this company goes in, replaces battery packs and says, see, look what we can do. New battery tech, same car, different battery. Look at the improvements. At the time, we were cautiously skeptical since One didn't release any detail about the chemistry of its Gemini battery, claiming to have a much higher energy density. Project was not in partnership with Tesla and clearly meant to create hype. Now they're back integrating Gemini battery in an existing electric vehicle, and there are still not many details about the chemistry, but at least it's in direct partnership with the automaker in question, in this case, BMW. Our next Energy One has signed an agreement with BMW Group to incorporate One's Gemini dual chemistry battery technology into BMW iX all-electric sports activity vehicle. One's unique long-range Gemini technology reduces lithium use by 20% while reducing graphite use by 60% and minimizing the use of nickel and cobalt. In doing so, One is creating more sustainable energy storage technology that can significantly reduce environmental impact. So they go, we're better. We got range, we got BMW, and we got the environment on our side. And Mo says, give me better batteries.
Yeah.
That's what Mo says.
600 miles. What's that kilometers? Is that?
Oh, just under 1,000.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the real one. That's the real one you want.
Wow.
That's a big deal because now you're outperforming most gasoline vehicles.
Yeah.
Did you say ice on this show?
What? You guys don't say ice.
Ice? Like, in what context?
Like ice vehicles. Like gas.
Internal combustion engine.
Oh,
He said it because like that was his. You know what he's doing.
it's actually the first time I've ever heard of that.
Really? But you read Electrek, they constantly say that.
Do they?
Yeah, but Mo has like upgraded his analyst status by using the term ice.
Yeah.
Good for you, Mo.
Yeah.
Okay.